by Massey Toyota.
And this afternoon should be perfect to get one last meal in at Anthony's, you know?
That's right.
Oh, yeah. Today is the day that, you sit around, you go, we live in San Diego and we're very lucky. The weather is just gorgeous. So hopefully you have some friends and family visiting because this is the place to be. Let's look outside over at Del Mar. You can see Dog Beach down below, and it looks like maybe a few dogs down there. It is gorgeous to be outside. Temperatures in the 70s, my favorite, 73 in Poway, 72 and sunny in Chula Vista right now. A few 60s still out there, but we'll be climbing into the 70s for the most coast and valley locations. I want to show you the winds because it's been pretty windy the last several days, especially if you've been in the foothills and the mountains. But winds are pretty calm right now, and look at the colors. Green and yellow indicating that onshore flow. Those reds, those offshore drier winds have really subsided. You can barely even see those wind streamlines showing up, mainly because the lighter the color, the less the winds are blowing, so it's pretty calm outside right now. We're going to keep things fairly warm as we head through midweek as this dome of warm high pressure sits over our area. But this system right here is going to knock away at that ridge as we head into the end of the week, bringing a lot of rain and snow to northern and central California. We're going to be on the tail end of it, so mainly just expecting more clouds late Thursday into Friday with a slight chance for showers come through on Friday. Any showers we see will be very light. Larger surf Thursday through Saturday, late Thursday through Saturday, I should say, along with strong rip currents. Our inland areas, we're staying in the 70s through Thursday, our Groundhog's Day, with 60s this weekend, and another chance for showers comes through on Monday. For the mountains and the deserts, the winds will pick up Thursday and Friday as that disturbance comes on through. Not expecting any rain in the desert areas, but we could get a few sprinkles even in the mountains. Guys?